Aloha and welcome to Pre-Owned Motor Cars. Are you looking for a SUV four-wheel drive but fuel economy is a major concern? Come check out this 22 Kia Sorento plug-in hybrid. It's an SX Prestige. And again, this is all-wheel drive, only has 6,500 miles. Plus it's a plug-in hybrid, amazing fuel economy. Great fuel economy does not mean you have to sacrifice comfort and convenience. This thing is loaded up. Come check it out. By the way, it has 3 rows of seats, so it has 6 passenger seating capacity. And also the rear seat, you can have just one side up or down, so it gives you some different configuration availability there. But plenty of cargo capacity with one or both of the rear seats down. Also has power lift gate, which is a nice feature. If you want to know more about this car, go to hawaiicar.com and check out the photos, or just come by and see us. We're open Monday through Friday, 8 to 6, and Saturdays we are here 9 to 5. Mahalo.